That's your new balloon. And it's the perfect color, too.
Pretty.
Sitting in a chair?
Pull it down, Kaya. Yeah, good girl.
Ready to go. Uh-oh.
Jump, Grandpa, jump.
There's your balloon.
Get closer, Jules. Oh, did you do that on purpose? Where'd it go? Can Grandpa get it?
Can I get it?
Jump, Grandpa, jump.
Where'd it go?
Can you get it? Jump, Kaya, jump. You should hold her up, Mark, and then see. Thank you, Grandpa. It's pretty. Balloon.
Mama.
Balloon. Uh-oh.
Where is it? Where's the balloon?
Can Grandpa get the balloon? Go ask Grandpa if he'll get the balloon for you. Touch you.